Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a hero section in Elementor. First, open your Elementor editor and add a new section. For most hero sections, a single column structure works best. Next, navigate to the layout settings and set the minimum height to VH or viewport height, typically around 100 VH, to ensure it fills the entire screen. This foundational step creates the perfect canvas for your engaging hero content. Now, let's add visual appeal. Go to the Style tab and choose a captivating background image or video. Consider adding a subtle color overlay to enhance text readability. Then, drag and drop your essential content elements: a prominent heading, a concise text editor widget for your message, and a compelling call to action button. Position these elements strategically to guide your visitors' attention effectively. Styling is crucial for impact. Customize your typography, colors, and spacing to match your brand. Fine-tune padding and margin values to achieve perfect visual balance and hierarchy. Remember to check responsiveness across different devices. Use Elementor's responsive mode to adjust settings for mobile and tablet views, ensuring your hero section looks fantastic and functions flawlessly on every screen size. For an extra touch, explore Elementor's motion effects to add dynamic engagement, like subtle scrolling animations. Consider implementing a sticky header to keep navigation accessible as users scroll. Always prioritize a clean, focused design, avoiding clutter that distracts from your main message. Finally, test your hero section's loading speed to ensure optimal performance, providing a smooth and enjoyable user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.